I am Dr. Sathya, working as a assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, I are going to discuss on interesting topic, the basics about the batteries. So, what are the types of batteries and characteristics of batteries we are discussed now? So, do you understand what is meant by battery? So, this is the two types of battery, the normal batteries and also the UPS battery and rechargeable batteries. So, the batteries are two types. One is the primary battery and the second one is the secondary battery. In primary battery, it's a non-rechargeable. In secondary batteries, it will going to recharged. So in batteries, we have three important components. One is anode and cathode and third one is electrolyte. So in anode, the negative electrode is present. That means the oxidation. In cathode, the positive electrode present. That means the electron gaining and the type of the reduction. In electrolytic solution, we are using as a own salt solution for the anode and cathode. So, what is meant by batteries? Why it's very important? So, the batteries are very important nowadays in modern technology because the different types of batteries is coming across the modern days. So, the batteries are very important topic. Why we need to know about the batteries? So, then only we have to alter any metal ions or anode and cathodic part. We have to change the other batteries. So the define. So in battery, it convert the chemical energy into the electrical energy through the redox reaction. That means in chemical component is convert its reaction going through. It's a completely converted into the electrical energy. It consists of one or more electrochemical cell are connected in a series or parallel. So this is the general batteries in battery of anode and cathode and electrolytic solution. So the primary battery is not rechargeable. The energy density is very low. It's commonly used in a remote phone, remote and clocks and toys and all we are using in primary batteries. And the secondary batteries, it's a rechargeable battery. The energy density will be very high. It's used in vehicles, mobiles and UPS etc. For UPS, we are using lead acid battery. It going to be rechargeable battery. And also fuel cell. Fuel cell is a continuous supply. It's a very high and used in electrical vehicles and spacecraft. So the classification of batteries into the main classification, the primary and secondary battery, it's a non-rechargeable and rechargeable, and the other one is the reserve batteries and also the fuel cells. So these are the examples of types of battery: alkaline battery, lithium ion battery, zinc air battery, lead acid battery, nickel cadmium battery. So these are the types of the batteries. So the characteristics of batteries. So the EMF in batteries, it's produced by the battery, it's a no current flows. The capacity is also the battery can deliver at express in a ampere hours. So the energy density showed per unit rate, it's a rate at which the energy can be delivered. In a cycle life, the number of complete charge of discharge cycles before the capacity drops insignificantly. So, the self-discharge, the resistance within the battery that reduces the efficiency. So, it's good of the self-discharge of the batteries. And also the efficiency is output electrical energy into the input energy during the charging. So these are applications of batteries. In primary batteries we are using in cameras, hearing aids and also the torches, and secondary batteries used in laptops, UPS systems, and fuel cell used as a renewable energy systems like that. So we know about the batteries, we can innovate some new batteries like we are changing the anode and cathodic part and going to form the new one of batteries. It will be develop the fast charging batteries with minimal heat generations, and also they create the flexible and transparent batteries for wearable the smart devices. The prototype, this is the prototype of batteries. We are testing the batteries and all. So thank you. Now we are discussed about the batteries and types of battery and characteristics of batteries, and what are the types of batteries we are discussed. It's very also important for everyone. Thank you.